All right, good afternoon, boys and girls. We're on lesson 58, writing quotients with mixed numbers. And so our objective for today is to write a quotient as a mixed number by writing the remainder as a fraction. And we're also going to be able to interpret the remainder for a given context. All right, here's the joke of the day. This one's from Emerson. He says, the past, present, and future were all in a room. It was tense. Okay, so here's our example for today and our new concept. So if we divide 50 divided by 3, and what we want to do is we want to write the quotient as a mixed number. Remember, the quotient is the answer to a division problem, and a mixed number is a number, a whole number with a fraction attached to it. Okay, so if we do divide 50 by 3, we'll go ahead and do the regular algorithm, which is 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we subtract, and we get 2. We bring down the 0. Then goes 3 into 20. How many 3's go into 20 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Then we subtract, and we have 2, which is our remainder. Okay? Now, so what we're going to do, instead of putting the remainder as an R2, we're going to put a 2 as the numerator. And then we have the fraction line, and we're going to put the 3 here, the divisor. Okay, remember, this is still 3 divided by 2 divided by 3, and that's what's happening here. 2, I've taught you guys that this is like a division bar, 2 divided by 3. Okay, and so that is our new quotient by using using a mixed number. Okay, and using a fraction for the remainder. Pretty simple, right? So whatever your remainder is, it's just going to be over the divisor. Okay, very simple. So let's go ahead and do example number 2 together. A 15-foot long board is cut into 4 equal lengths. How long is each length? Remember, what we're going to do is we're going to go 4 goes into 15 how many times? It goes in 3 times. And that 3 times 4 is 12. Our remainder is 3. So we put a 3 over our divisor, which is 4. All right, so it's 3 3/4 would be our answer. Okay, in example number 3, a group of friends collected aluminum cans and received $21 from a recycling center for the cans. Each friend received an equal share of the money. Which quotient represents the number of dollars each friend received? Okay, so they collected $21. We're going to divide 21 by 4 because there's 4 friends. And when we do that, we find that 4 goes into 21 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract, and we have a remainder of 1. We're going to change that remainder to a fraction, which is 1/4 right here. So we put a line underneath and put a 4 underneath that for the denominator because that's our divisor. So 5 1/4 is our new fraction for that. Okay, now we have the fraction 5 1/4. I will give you extra dojo points or bucks or whatever if you can tell me what 5 1/4 dollars is as dollars and cents. All right, go ahead and put that on there. Here's your lesson practice. Pretty easy. You just need to write all of your quotients or your answers to each of these division problems as a mixed number. So I'm not looking for any remainders on there. You just need to put a mixed number. So, like whole number with a fraction. Okay. Good luck tonight, and I think you're going to do great. If you have any questions, write those on the back. There is no vocab for tonight, but I would like you to write on the vocab line, so I know that you guys are listening and watching this video, your initials. Okay, go ahead and write your initials on the vocab line. All right, have a great night, and I will see you in the morning.